Thousands of miles, hundreds of hands, millions of machines, all working together just to make one thing you trust every single month.
All right, we got 1,200 acres to clear today. Let's get moving. Picker 1 is running full speed, hopper's filling fast. Tree down, moving to next one.
Keep feeding! We need 3 more loads before lunch!
Bale 12 on the truck, signal when you're clear.
Clear, go ahead!
Copy that, lowering now. Load secured, moving out. Clear, ready to transport. En route to factory, ETA 10 minutes. Gate opening, proceed to bay 3. Convoy is rolling, ETA to processing plant is 4 hours. Keep it tight. Dispatch, this is Unit 7. We're passing mile marker 220, all loads secure.
.42-8, you're good to go. Pull forward.
Copy that. All right, raw materials for building C, pull around to dock 7. Got it, dock 7. Unit 7 inbound, raw materials.
Keep coming, stop! Let's get these bales unloaded. Building C needs them in 20 minutes.
All right, moving in. Careful, it's heavy. Good, take it to bay 3. Copy, moving to bay 3. Perfect, next pallet. Bale opener is at full capacity. Watch the feed rate. Pressure's good, filters are clean. Good, fibers are clean and aligned, no tangles. Consistency looks right. Start the bleaching sequence.
Water's running clear, wash stage 2 complete. Cotton fiber analysis complete. Fibers are perfect and uniform. Wood pulp analysis matches, both are approved. Both materials cleared, we're good to send to manufacturing. All right, entering the manufacturing process details now. Batch ID, production date, equipment used, all set. Process steps, mixing, heating, cooling, filtration, approved.
Perfect distribution, no clumping.
Top sheet tension nominal, roll change in about 40 minutes.
Bond looks solid, no delamination.
Lamination is good, no air pockets. Die sharp, shapes are clean! Spray width is right, adhesive temp holding at 350. Liner placement within tolerance, 0 misalignments. System caught a misaligned liner. Reject rate is under 0.5%. Logging the sample batch quantity. Sealing the container. Placing items in the shipping box. Securing the box with tape. Applying the batch label.
Fold creases centered. We're good.
Seal integrity confirmed. All wraps are airtight.
Cycle time is 0.8 seconds per arm, running at full efficiency.
Batch code is printing clear. Date stamp confirmed. Carton weight is consistent. Glue temp holding steady. Pallet 1 is at layer 6, wrapping in 4 more layers. Initiating load sequence. Box scanned, proceed. Stack confirmed next. Pallet 12 is wrapped and ready. Fork it to staging.
Autonomous units are keeping up. Staging zone is filling nicely.
That's 36 pallets. 2 more and we're full.
Truck 47 sealed. Manifest match cleared for departure. Truck 7, you're clear for city route.
Copy that. Heading out. Arriving at the supermarket now.
Acknowledged. Good run.
Dispatch, I'm 40 miles out, ETA 7:15. Supermarket loading dock should be clear. Every morning, same tight squeeze. Keep coming, 10 feet, 5, stop! 40 pallets of feminine care. Let's get them in before the store opens. Feminine care is in aisle 12. Start pulling for floor replenishment.
Copy that, supervisor. On it. Stock levels are good. Let's move these.
Here are the tampons. That'll be $6.99. Credit, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Let's see the instructions. Feminine care is fully stocked. Looks good for opening.
Aisle 12 looks perfect. Open in 5 minutes.
Absorbency level cotton enhanced. This one has better material.
Thank you for shopping with us.